Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mira.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, today what we will do?
Beta, we will continue with the exercise. We are doing exercise 19.1. We have done till question B. Today we have to start with question C. Have you all done question B, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let's start question C today.
Yes, sir.
Sir, Ansh has joined today only.
Ansh,
Sir,
Arya, how
before
are you?
And Sir Bhakti is not joined today only.
Arya, how are you? अंश बेटा कैसे हो?
Sir, I think he has a network problem.
Okay, so exercise 19.1. Question number C. C. In this question, the radius is given, length of the radius is given. You have to find what is the length of diameter in each case. So let's see the first part. The radius is, it is given 4.5 centimeters. So in all the questions, you will write the formula first. Diameter is equal to what? Do you know what is the length of diameter? It is twice of the radius.
Yes, sir.
Twice of radius. Diameter क्या होती है? Radius की double होती है. Do you all remember this? 2
Yes,
into
sir.
r. 2 multiplied by r. That is twice of radius. 2 into radius. So diameter is equal to 2 into 4.5. So in this case, when you multiply this, you get 9 centimeters. Answer. Can you do the rest of the parts?
So we can divide.
No, you have to multiply, beta. Why will you divide? 2 multiplied
Sir,
by
please tell one time again.
radius is given 4.5. Diameter निकालनी है आपको. Diameter निकालने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Radius को 2 से multiply कर देंगे. 9 सेंटीमीटर आ गया. 2 into 4.5 equals to 9. Do you know how to multiply?
Yes, sir.
बस multiply करना है. 2 से multiply करना
Yes,
है.
sir.
In all the cases, multiply by 2 and you will get the answer. For example, look at the second one also. अगर doubt है तो. सेकंड वाला बता रहा हूँ. Here the radius is
17.5.
0.5 centimeters. Diameter is equal to 2 into r. D equals to 2 into 17.5. 17.5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 35 centimeters. मैं डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर लेता हूँ, आप लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ पर शो करना है ऐसे करके. 17.5 multiplied by 2.
Sir, can we multiply? अच्छा sir. Okay sir.
15.
Sir, in the units which they are very big, sir, that too, sir, we have multiply like that only.
You multiply like this. 35.0. Answer is 35.0. 35.0 is also equal to 35. You can just remove the decimal. Why? Because there is nothing after decimal. It is 0.0. Okay. Keep on doing all the parts. Complete it.
Sir, it is very much easy. Sir, I want to ask something. Sir,
Yes.
sir, why it is called radii? Sir, radii.
Radii. Radii is the plural form. In singular form, we call it radius, and plural form is radii. Radii. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you all done?
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I am on fifth.
Fifth.
Sir,
Sir, I have done a long time ago.
Okay. So Aswa, can you tell your answers? Okay,
Okay, sir.
I am telling you the answers. You all check. Okay. I'm telling you the answers.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
everyone.
sir.
So can I tell?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेटा आप चेक करो ठीक है फर्स्ट
Sir, you
वन
will tell on whiteboard.
नहीं I will
No.
just orally tell you the
Speak.
I will orally tell you the answers and you check your answers. Okay. First one is 9 centimeters. Second is 35 centimeters. Fourth is
So third?
yeah, sorry, third one. Third one is
The 90.
15.6 centimeters. Third one. How many of you have got it correct? Third, 15.6.
Sir, I have got it correct.
Sir, I have got it
Sir,
correct.
sir, I have.
I've got it correct.
Very good.
So by mistake, I speak the by seeing on the diameter one.
Okay,
So
next.
I was not seeing in my notebook.
Fourth one, the answer is 27.2 centimeters.
Sir, mine is correct.
27.2.
repeat fourth one.
27.2 centimeters.
Sir, please repeat fourth.
Beta, answer of the fourth one is 27.2.
27.2.
27.2 centimeters. भरत यार माइक ऑफ करो यार नए साल में
Sir, answer of fifth one. Sir, answer of fifth one.
Bharat, you forgot you have taken a resolution that this year you will keep your mic off. 2021.
Sir, I was speaking something, but Abhiyan and one was all were speaking, so I can't speak
कोई
my
बात नहीं,
thing.
कोई बात नहीं. अब तो ऑफ कर लो. ठीक है. Yeah. So.
Please tell the fifth answer.
Yes, just wait, just wait. Fourth वाला चेक कर लिया सबने? It is.
Yes, sir.
27.2 centimeters. Fourth का आंसर है. Fifth answer is 42 centimeters. And the last one, sixth
Sir, by
one is.
mistake I write it. Sir, it is my wrong.
हाँ बेटा माइक ऑफ करो ठीक है चेक कर लो उसको ठीक है the last one the answer is 36 centimeters okay बहुत सिंपल है सारे नंबर्स में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई
So my almost all were correct, sir. 4 and 5, sir, I wrote off the D1. Sir, the question
my
I
5
wrote
is
from
wrong.
D question.
Sir, my 5 is wrong.
मतलब you noted the questions wrong
Yes, sir. Sir, I wrote them down by mistakenly from D section.
okay
Sir, it was happening to me. Sir, while telling you the answer, I tell the answer from the D. B, sir, B.
okay
So what is fifth answer?
fifth is 42 centimeters okay so now we will learn how to construct circles in the next question D we have to construct circles of following
Sir, can I
radius 9 z
bring my
radius is a very big radius you cannot make a circle of 9
geometry?
radius this is wrong using ruler and compass draw circles with the given radii this is wrong I will not allow you to make a radius of 9 centimeter you cannot make it in your notebooks it will be a very big circle
So can we bring A4 sheet?
no even an A4 sheet it will not come 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter is almost.
Yes, sir. I understood. Yes, sir.
Sir, 18 centimeter will be the diameter.
Yes.
Sir, just the 9 centimeter is a radius. So, sir, 18 will be sir
Diameter.
very big.
And similarly, in the next one, the radius is 10 centimeters. That is also very big. You cannot make a circle with such a big radius. In your notebook, it is not possible. So
Sir,
I
and
will.
in book also
Don't
hardly.
worry. I will just change these radii. Don't worry. Let us first learn
So
how
like
to
2,
construct
4.
circles. I hope you all, some of you already know how to construct circles. किसी ने try करा? Have you ever tried constructing a circle?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
like
sir.
I
Yes,
first
sir.
draw the radius. Sir, I first draw the radius line, and sir, then I draw with the between of the line I make the radius diameters, and I draw the circle.
Sir, I have constructed many times, sir, in drawings.
Very good. Okay, now I will show you a video, and with the help of this video, you will learn how to construct circles easily. Look at this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you be ready. अरे ये भरत माइक ऑफ कर लो यार. कैसे कहें तुमसे? घर आ जाए क्या तुम्हारे? ऊपर से गाने गाते हो बैठ के.
Sir, I can't see the sound. Listen.
Today, let's revise about circle and its construction. Look at these objects. They are center of the
Sir, we have seen this video.
compass.
Sir, we have seen this
Yes, sir.
video.
We have seen this video.
Beta,
Sir, seen.
I am not showing you the whole video. I am just showing you the part where you have to construct a circle. Okay.
Metal arm. Step. Connected by a hinge. Step 1. Keep the metal point of the compass firmly on a fixed point. Step 2. Stretch the arm of the compass that holds the pencil. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Hey, look, we have drawn a circle. Now, let's draw one more circle, but this time with a radius of 4.5 centimeters. Step 1. Use a ruler to set the distance between both the arms as 4.5 centimeters.
So, in your book, the first question is, the first part is, where you have to take radius of 6.5 centimeters. So like this, you can take a scale, and
Sir, I know this.
I hope you all have taken out your.
Sir, I know this. Sir, I
compass
have drawn
and-
like this.
Very good. It's my
Sir,
duty.
I have drawn like this.
So take a scale and then.
But we have to make it 12 because 6 is radius.
Radius is 6.5.
So because the diameter is double of radius, so of course we have to make of 12, 13.
अरे मेरी बात सुनो बेटा, ध्यान से सुनिए. In your compass, you take a measurement of 6.5 centimeter only. Okay. Compass लीजिए, उसमें 6.5 centimeter measure कर लीजिए with the help of a scale. I hope you all have your compass and pencil is there in the compass. You all have put a
Yes,
pencil.
sir, I have. Sir, I always keep geometry box.
So now you take a measurement of 6.5 centimeter. Measure कर लीजिए, and then you construct a circle like this.
Centimeters. Step 2. Place the point of the compass on a fixed point. Step 3. Move the pencil arm around to draw the circle. Do you know?
Got it? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
So construct it and show it to me. Turn on a video and then show it to me.
Sir, now we have to take only 6.5 radius as a diameter.
You have to take only 6.5. Okay. If you take 6.5 in your compass, the diameter will automatically become 13 centimeters. After making, you can measure it. Okay.
So, sir, we have to make a circle of 13 centimeters.
Nahi, beta. In your compass, you take 6.5 only. Okay. Don't take 13. Take 6.5 only. Got it, Abhiyan? And then construct a circle. And then show it to me. Look at this. So when you construct, you will get a circle like this. Not a good one.
So you can use anything, sir, like a scale. So like to make the radius.
ठीक है काम तो चल जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
So like this you have constructed a circle. Now after constructing it, you mark the center of the circle. जहाँ पे आपने compass लगाया था, that is the center of the circle. And from the center you join anywhere in the circle, you will get the radius of the circle. This will be r equals to 6.5 centimeters. You can measure it, it will be 6.5. And if you measure the diameter after constructing the circle, the radius will be 6.5. And if you measure the diameter, it will be 13 centimeters. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And sir, what to do of that, sir, which have much big centimeter?
Yes, for example, in question number 2, they are saying you should construct a circle of radius 9 centimeter. तो ये वाला आप skip कर दीजिए. Don't do the second and third part. Stop. मतलब you can cut them. Don't do them. Second and third part. Okay, because this will be not possible to construct in your notebook. They will be very big.
Sir, I have made the circle.
Which one? First one?
Yes, sir.
Show it to me, beta. Are you showing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Nice. It is correct. So
Sir, I can't find my scale.
in this, Asfa, show it one more time. So you can see that a circle of radius 6.5 centimeter only, it is looking so big. And if we make a circle of 9 centimeter radius, it will not be possible to make such a big circle in your notebook. Okay. So that is why
Yes, sir.
we are not doing it. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Please see.
Okay, thank you. So yours is correct. Yes. Who? Abhiyan is showing. अभियान दिखाओ बेटा दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे हाँ got it correct very good
Sir, see.
correct very good absolutely correct छा गए अभियान छा गए anyone else showing
So, sir, we can do the fourth
yes now you can do
part
the
and the fifth part.
yes you all can do the fourth fifth and sixth part don't do the second and third part start doing fourth fifth and then sixth
Sir, while drawing a circle with the help of the radius, sir, we have to stretch
can-
that much compass till which the second line is going. Sir, pencil we have to stretch till which the line is ending.
I'm not able to understand your question can you ask again
Sir, I am asking, sir, sir, I am drawing like that, sir, like this is so. It is not something. Sir, can you see it?
so
Sir, like this. So, sir, I have to take from sir here to an stretch pencil this much only.
yes
So we have to do fifth and sixth one
fourth fifth and sixth
first. Okay, sir.